What if I told you that in 2026, you could add $1,000 to $5,000 to your bank account every single month? And you could do it without any special skills, without spending a single dollar to start, and without quitting your regular job. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I am so happy you are here today because this video can really change your money situation. Thousands of regular Americans are already doing exactly this. They use simple apps on their phones. They work when they want, and they bring home real extra cash every week. Stick around because I am going to show you the best ways to do it in 2026. Why is right now the perfect time? More people than ever are ordering food and rides through apps. Families need help walking their dogs and watching their homes. And everyone has stuff in their closet they never use. Life costs a lot in 2026. Gas, groceries, and rent keep rising. An extra $1,000 a month can feel like a big relief. It can help you pay bills faster, or finally take that family trip, or just sleep better at night. So what is a side hustle anyway? It is simply extra work you do on the side. You decide the hours. You keep almost all the money you earn. No boss, no office, no long training. Just you, your phone, and a little free time. Sound good? Let us jump into the best ones for this year. Number 1 is food and grocery delivery. Think DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart. You pick up meals or groceries, you drop them off at people's houses. That is the whole job. To begin, open your phone app store. Search for DoorDash, tap Download. It takes less than 60 seconds. Sign up with your name and phone number. The app asks for a quick background check. Most people get approved in 1 or 2 days. You do not pay anything to join. What do you really need to start? A phone with internet. A car works great in most places, but a bike or scooter is okay in many cities too. You need a driver's license if you use a car, and normal car insurance, which most people already have. That's it. No fancy equipment. Now, let's talk about the money. Most drivers earn $20 to $30 per hour. That includes your base pay plus customer tips. During dinner time and weekends, it can reach $40 an hour. Work just 10 hours a week? That's $200 to $400 weekly. Over 4 weeks, that becomes $800 to $1,600 a month. Many people work 15 to 20 hours and clear $2,000 to $4,000 a month. Some busy cities pay even more. Let me tell you about Maria from Houston. She works full-time as a nurse. Every evening, she delivers for 2 hours. On weekends, she does 4 more hours. Last month, she made $2,900. That money paid for her daughter's braces. You can do the same thing in your city. Here are 3 easy tips to earn more. First, work during peak hours, lunch from 11 to 2 and dinner from 5 to 9. Second, only accept orders that show good tips. The app shows you the total before you accept. Third, be fast and friendly. Text customers when you are on the way. Happy customers leave bigger tips. Keep your car clean and play calm music. Small details really help. Track your miles with a free app. It helps at tax time later. You are already doing great. Let's look at the next hustle. Number 2 is rideshare driving. Apps like Uber and Lyft are super popular in 2026. You pick up passengers and drive them where they need to go. It's very similar to delivery, but with people instead of food. You need a 4-door car in good shape. The apps check your car and your driving record. Sign up the same way on their websites or apps. It's free and takes a few days to approve. Earnings are often a little higher than food delivery. Many drivers make $25 to $45 per hour. Airport runs and late nights pay the best. In big cities like Chicago or Los Angeles, people easily clear $3,000 a month. Work 10 to 15 hours a week part-time, you can still make $1,500 to $3,000. Meet David from Atlanta. He's a teacher during the day. He drives for Uber 3 evenings a week. Last month, he earned $2,400. He used the money to fix his roof. You can start in your own town, too. Number 3 is pet sitting and dog walking. Apps like Rover and Wag connect you with pet owners. You walk dogs or watch pets while owners are away. If you like animals, this one feels like fun, not work. You create a free profile with photos of yourself, add any pets you already have at home. Owners book you for 30-minute walks or full-day sits. No car is needed for many jobs. You can walk in your own neighborhood. How much can you earn? A 30-minute dog walk pays $15 to $25. Overnight pet sitting can pay $50 to $100 per night. Do 5 walks a day on weekends, that is $75 to $125 in one day. Many sitters make $1,500 to $3,000 a month. It's perfect for retirees or stay-at-home parents. Picture Lisa in Denver. She's retired and loves dogs. She does 3 walks every morning, plus 2 overnight sits every week. She made $2,600 last month, and she says it keeps her active and happy. You can start the same way today. Number 4 is selling stuff you already own. Use Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, and eBay. Look around your house right now. Old clothes, video games, furniture, and tools. All of it can become cash. Take clear photos with your phone. Write a short, honest description. Price it a little below similar items. Meet buyers in safe public places like coffee shops, or ship small items with free boxes from home. How much can you make? One good weekend of selling can bring in $300 to $800. Do it once a month and you have extra money all year. Some people turn it into a steady $1,000 a month side business. Meet Carlos from Miami. He sold old sneakers and gaming consoles he never used. In 1 month, he made $1,700. That paid for his car repair. You probably have the same hidden treasure at home. Number 5 is paid focus groups and website testing. Websites like User Testing pay you to try apps and websites. You just talk out loud while using them. No experience needed at all. They pay $10 to $60 for 15 to 20 minutes of your time. Search online for paid focus groups near you. Many pay $100 to $300 for 2 hours of your opinion. Do 2 or 3 of these a month. You can easily add $500 to $1,000. These are perfect when you have a quiet evening at home. You sit on your couch and share your thoughts. Companies want real American opinions like yours. It is that simple. Now, let us talk about hitting $1,000 to $5,000 a month. Most people combine 2 or 3 of these hustles. Do food delivery on weeknights, walk dogs on Saturday mornings, sell stuff on Sunday afternoons. Worth just 15 to 20 hours total per week. You can realistically clear $2,000 to $4,000. Some people go full-time and hit $5,000 or more. Start with just one hustle for the first 2 weeks. Get comfortable with it, then add a second one. Track your earnings in a simple notebook or free phone app. Celebrate every $100 you make. You are building something great. Here's how to get started today. Pick one hustle that sounds fun to you. Download the app right now while you watch. Fill out the form before you go to bed. In a couple of days, you could be earning. Tell a friend or family member you're trying it. They can cheer you on. You already have everything you need: your phone, your time, and your courage to begin. Let me share a few mistakes to avoid. Do not accept every single order if the pay is too low. Wait for better ones with good tips. Do not drive a car that uses too much gas if possible. Keep safety first. Tell someone where you're going for deliveries or rides. Never share personal information with strangers. Track your miles and earnings for taxes. The IRS has free tools to help. Start small and grow at your own pace. There is no rush. You are doing amazing just by watching this video. Let us do a quick summary. 5 simple side hustles that need 0 experience and 0 money. Food delivery, rideshare, pet sitting, selling your stuff, and paid studies. Combine 2 or 3, and you can earn $1,000 to $5,000 a month. Thousands of Americans are already doing it in 2026. You can be next. If this video helped you, please hit the like button right now. Subscribe to the channel for more simple money tips every week. Drop a comment below and tell me which hustle you are trying first. I read every single comment and I am rooting for you. All the app links are in the description below. Click them and get started today. Your future self is already thanking you. Go make that extra money. You got this. See you in the next video. Take care and keep winning.